Every great journey begins with a single step. In 1975, Royal Service Air Conditioning was established in the United States. In 1995, Royal Service Group entered the global market, establishing wholly owned Royal Service Air Conditioning, Guangdong Corporation in Guangzhou, and successively set up branches in Beijing, Shanghai, Shenzhen, Xiamen, Tianjin, Wuhan, and Chengdu. In the Asia-Pacific headquarters building, Royal Service is equipped with a central cooling system to ensure the comfort of working environment, and is powered by photovoltaic system, electricity for efficient operation. Services include engineering design, manufacture, installation, and after-sales service for the high-quality heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration for Kandar, and building automation systems, BOSS. Our mission statement is always premium quality. With intelligent manufacturing and process standards, we have forged strategic partnerships with many leading brands across industries, serve customers all over the world, and become a recognized international manufacturer of VAV terminals. Royal Service Asia Pacific Factory. Royal Service Factory is highly productive and equipped with a series of automatic production lines, including round damper casing automatic production line, square damper casing automatic production line, automatic fiber laser cutting machine, hydraulic press, VAG production lines, and CT turret machine, an automated testing line, etc. All these production lines ensure the delivery of product. Royal Service annual output exceeds 280,000 units, including large-scale production of 200,000 VAV terminals. We strictly adhere to the ISO 9001 quality management system, ensuring our products meet international standards such as RULETO and works with WELL, etc. Our commitment to quality has earned us widespread recognition and praise from customers worldwide. Royal Air Conditioning product range: single duct VAV terminals, fan-powered VAV terminals, smart VAV diffusers, thermal-driven VAV diffusers, under-floor VAV terminals, CG series constant variable air volume damper, mechanical constant air volume damper, damper series, air purification and sterilization series, medical purification series, building automatic control series, supply, return, air diffuser series, VAV air conditioning control system integration, and remote operation and maintenance services. Royal Air Conditioning Project Reference: EP China Headquarters Shanghai, Gohua Financial Building Ningbo, Haijin International Center Xiamen, Shenzhen Stock Exchange, Taikang Southwest Hospital Sichuan, Innova Pharmaceuticals Chengdu, Baikontine's Building Beijing, Center for Disease Control and Prevention Ningxiao, Yonglying Island Medical Complex Macau, Four Seasons Hotel Taiwan, Raffles Headquarters Building Singapore, Mori Building Japan, Facebook Office Philippines, Cajamarca Hospital Peru, Magokama Sea Lord South Korea, Incheon International Airport South Korea, Westpac Bank Australia. Demeanor of Royal Service Family. Royal Service is people-oriented, inspiring creativity and dedication in our employees, building a foundation of skilled talent that drives our competitive advantage. Looking to the future, we advance with the courage of pioneers, the wisdom of decision makers, and the inclusivity of leaders. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, we are committed to crafting a sustainable and prosperous future.